is going to be a review and swatch of the new Maybelline Super Matte Ink liquid lipsticks, and this is the coffee edition. I purchased these from my local Walmart. I got only 5 of them. I know 6. When I looked at Maybelline's website, it was actually 6 of them, but I only was able to get 5 at Walmart, like I stated. Now I'm going to give you guys the benefits on these. There is no transfer, so let's test that out now. No transfer, up to 16 hours of wear, and delectable coffee scents. So I'm curious to see if these smell like coffee, because I love coffee. I think that these lipsticks will be an actual staple for fall, because look at these colors. I mean, when I think of fall, these are the color schemes that I think of. So yeah, this is my first time trying out Maybelline liquid lipsticks. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to be about. Before you go, yeah, you already know. Why? Because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, leave me some love down in the comments below. And until next time, bye guys. All right guys, so the first lip liner is Chai Genius. I have already lined my lips off camera using the ColourPop's BBF4 lip liner. Doesn't really smell like coffee though. It smells sweet, but not really coffee. With this, you definitely will need a lip liner. It is on the light side. As I've let this dry, I'm kind of getting more of, it's still a little sticky, it's still a little tacky, but it's cute. But I definitely have to wear a lip liner. Like, could not go without wearing a lip liner with this. I feel like my lips would look really ashy, and that's no. So let's go on to the next shade. Next shade is Hazelnut Hypnotizer. This looks more of like a pink to me versus maybe it's like a pinky nude. So let's go ahead and try that one on. Okay, so for Hazelnut Hypnotizer, it's cute. It gives me more of a pinky, more than nude. Now this one does smell like coffee. This one definitely smells like coffee. Okay. This one will have to grow on me. I think if anything, the next time that I wear this, I'm gonna try a different lip liner versus a brown one, maybe like a more of a berry one. I think that'll look a lot cuter with it. Not saying I don't like the lipstick. It's very pretty, but this one's just gonna have to grow on me. So let's go on to the next one. All right, next up is Caramel Collector. This one's kind of giving me more of peanut butter vibe. So let's try it and see. Okay, so caramel collector. This one's cute. It's giving me, I know I said peanut butter, but it's giving me more of like pumpkin spice vibes, you know. It's definitely cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's more on, I thought it was more like, it's a little bit more on the warmer side now that it's dried down to it. But it's cute. I like it. It's cute. All right, next up is Coco Connoisseur. This is pretty. So let's try it out and see. I really like this one. This one's really gives me sienna browns. I definitely rock this throughout the fall. It's very pretty. I like this one. I really do. So we have one more. So let's go ahead and try that one out. All right, guys. So the last one is Mocha Inventor. So let's see what this one is gonna look like. I love a deep brown, deep burgundy lip for the fall. That is like one of my absolute favorite go-tos. So let's see if this is going to be my fave. Okay, so this one has my vote. This is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. The camera is not even giving it justice. This is so freaking pretty. All right, guys, so my final reviews on these lipsticks. These are great dupes for luxury liquid lipsticks. Out of all out of all 5 of these, this one is my absolute favorite. It is so pretty. My camera is not doing it justice, but it is so pretty. It smells like fresh brownies. You can definitely rock this with any kind of eye look. I mean, something kind of neutral like what I've done, or something bold, but this is my absolute favorite. Now, I'm curious to see about the 16-hour wear. I will say this isn't my opinion, I don't feel like it's a really true matte. It's more of a semi-matte, because you can kind of still see a little bit of more of a satin finish on my lips, but we can get past that, girl. A little blotting powder, a little translucent powder on my lips, and it'll be just fine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, let's be friends. And yeah, and until next time, bye guys.